Hey guys, I'm gonna do an unboxing today. I was reached out by a small business called Glam Lash. Hold up, I don't remember. Glam Lash, Houston, Texas. PP. I'm also from there. Well, not born, but I am from there, and I still live here. So yeah, it's pretty cool supporting Houston native businesses, and she's a female-owned business, so of course double support here. So she was kindly enough to just send me this stuff. She made me choose a lash. She sent me pictures and I chose one, and that's it. I don't have a discount code for her. I'm not in her PR list. She was just kind enough to be like, hey, do you want me to send you something for free? And I was like, yes, of course. Like, that's how it happened. So the first thing I noticed is the smell. It smells like cologne or perfume. It smells really good. I can't stop smelling it, but it's the first time I received the package and it smells really good. Like, even before I opened it, like right here, it smells a lot, but very good, like good quality cologne or perfume. I think it smells like a girl perfume and then a guy mixed together. It's probably unisex, I don't know. So okay, I'm just gonna open it. So it looks like this. It has confetti warms. So wow, it smells good. So oops, I'm making it. So the first thing is, yay, the lash that I chose. I love that the packaging is blue. I love the blue. And this how it looks. It says thank you. Okay, I'm gonna take it off here. Okay, so that's the packaging. And this is called Lola. That's the bag. Wow, it's super pretty. I forgot to ask if they're mink or not. I think they are. And obviously the spoolie. So it's a cool, pretty teal. Ooh, and black. I love the color. Next thing is, oh, it's just the card with my name. And her business card. That's her info. You could follow her. What else? Ooh, like gems, rhinestones. Wow, that's cool. And that's basically it. So yeah, I'm just gonna open the letter and see what it says. I read the freaking letter and I was taking my time to open it. And like, te digo. Okay. Oh well. Ooh. AC Beauty liked my mention every store. They probably won't reply. Okay, so this is thank you. Oh, I love that it matches her aesthetic. The turquoise. Wow. Okay, so hello doll, we really admire your work. Therefore, we wanted to give you a pair of luxury minks. Oh, there are mink lashes. Sorry, I don't understand her handwriting. Thank you very much for your precious time and support. Okay, so yeah, thank you for sending me this. I feel like I am getting the support from her, but she feels I'm getting the support from me. It's confusing, but it goes both ways. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna put all her info, support her, and yeah, so I can't wait to use my lash. And yeah, bye.